Hey everyone, this is Rachel, and today I'm here with a new scrapbooking process video. Thanks so much for joining me here, and I hope you enjoy. If you could flick me a thumbs up, that would be super awesome, and I would love it if you would become a subscriber. You can also click on the notification bell so you always know when I have a new video up. Alright folks, let's get going! Hey everyone, so I am once again at a crop I went to back at the end of September 2019. This is a layout I made with a page kit I put together from a larger kit I had purchased from the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. It is made up of papers from Studio 40, which is a European country, European product, and it's just really pretty. It had like starry themes and just really pretty things, and I thought it would be perfect for this Disney layout of Star Command and Buzz Lightyear and stuff for a ride at Walt Disney World for a trip we went back to. This is 2006, I believe, is when we went on this trip. I have literally three or four. I've been using the word literally recently, and I'm annoying myself, so I apologize if that annoys you. So the silver star trim came in my Secret Not Secret kit, and I was super happy to be able to use that as a horizontal line piece down at the bottom there. And then I am layering one of the 3x4 cards that also came in the kit along with that piece of 6x6 paper that I also used to mat this photo of Zurg and my nephew. If you've been to Walt Disney World, you are probably very familiar with that little caged area with Zurg in it where the children can climb in and have their photo taken with him. And so that was my nephew's favorite part of that ride. Actually, he kept wanting to go back there, which I thought was interesting. I want to go back to the jail area. Okie dokie, that bodes well. He's fine. He's 18 now. He's in college, doing okay. I did add three of those banner stickers to the upper right hand side, and now I am using a white pen to do some journaling. The trick to journaling with a white pen is to not put too much pressure down and also to write really, really slowly. Obviously, this is sped up, so it looks really fast, but in fact, I was writing quite slowly. So I had layered a circular sticker over a circular die cut under that banner piece, and now I am working on my title, which is just going to be Space Ranger, and those are foam thickers with a thin chipboard overlay, and they came out with the Indigo and Ivy line from Pink Paisley, and I think they are really very pretty. Now I'm moving back to embellishing. I have from my kit a bunch of word and phrase stickers that came with the Studio 40 line, as well as a bunch of different circular stickers, and everything was very star and astrologically themed for this entire collection, so I was super happy to have it for this particular layout. Now these little glitter dots, these are actually from Stampin' Up. They were just in my stash and I thought they would work very well with this particular line. I'm actually almost finished here. I want to say thank you guys so much for joining me. If you could flick me a thumbs up, that would be super awesome. And I'm just thinking, do I need to add anything? I'm just going to trim off those banner stickers, and I think that is, oh, and the star trim. And that is going to complete my layout. Thanks so much, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.